Hi, I'm Martin Newmark with HouseKnowHow.com. In this video today, I want to share with you the most common condensate pump installation error I see. But first, please take a moment to click your subscribe button down below, and if you click the bell notification button, you'll get notified of new videos when I post them. To install a condensate pump, you need to do three things. The first is hook up a drain pipe from the air conditioner or furnace into the condensate reservoir. The second thing you need to do is install this hose to pump the condensate out to a drain somewhere. The third thing you need to do is provide an outlet and plug the condensate pump in. There's one more thing that you should do when you install a condensate pump. You should wire the overflow switch into the furnace or air conditioner so that when the pump fails, the furnace or air conditioner won't work. So you know to call for help or to troubleshoot it yourself. And in this picture, these are the two blue wires are the overflow switch wires. Since this last step isn't a must-do to get the condensate pump installed and working, many people, HVAC contractors, perhaps homeowners, don't install the wiring for this overflow switch, which is a problem because when this pump fails, the furnace and air conditioner are going to keep working, and the condensate pump is going to overflow and spill water onto the area around the condensate pump itself, whether it's in a crawl space, basement, or living space floor. And what are they saving by not installing the wiring for this overflow switch? About 15 minutes and $1 worth of wiring. Let's take a moment and look at some pictures of condensate pumps that haven't been wired in correctly. Here's a pump. The pump maker even supplies a wire to wire into a furnace or air conditioner, but the installer hasn't done it. Another pump, not installed properly. Here's another one, not wired in. Not wired in. Not wired in. Here we go. This one is not wired in and it's failed. It's overflowing. Water is overflowing the pump and dripping onto the surrounding area. Now, these pictures show condensate pumps in crawl spaces, but they're often installed on floors in living spaces like the one I showed at the start of this video. To prevent this, all you or an HVAC technician needs to do is to wire these overflow switches into the thermostat wiring of a furnace or air conditioner. Let's take a look at how this wiring is done. This is how a furnace or air conditioner is wired when the condensate pump is not wired in. Okay. So these control panel boards are going to have several connections on them that go to the thermostat. All you have to do to get a condensate pump wired in is to disconnect this wire that typically goes to R, hook it up to one of the wires that goes to the condensate pump, and then the other wire to the condensate pump goes to that R terminal. Simple, yet it's not done in many, many cases. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Please scroll down and click the subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you're updated as to when I add a new video. I'm Martin Newmark with HouseKnowHow.com.